Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to initial every page on Docusign. Alright, let's begin. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Docusign website. Click Login and enter your credentials to access your personal Docusign account. Then access the Agreements tab from the top to access the Envelope section. Next, click on the Start button and select a template that fits your document. Templates help simplify repetitive tasks, saving time. Once selected, add the recipient information and any custom messages. Double-check everything for accuracy because these details are crucial. After that, click Next to reach the page for placing fields. In the menu, select Standard Fields and locate the Initials field. Click and drag this field onto each page where you want your initials to appear. Repeat this step for every page to ensure consistency and legality across the document. And there you have it. Your document is now properly initialed on every page. So that's basically how you can initial every page on Docusign. That's it for this video. Thanks.